Yeah, what's going on, guys? The Yorkshire Biker here. So today we're here in the shed again once more. Unfortunately, the weather outside's pretty grim today. It's actually snowing, so we'll not be going out on the bike, unfortunately, but we have got some stuff that we need to do. So what we need to do, basically what's happened, the TomTom sat-nav that I've got, I bought with it the security lock. So it's locked onto the bike. You get a little disc and all sorts. So basically I've lost the keys, which means the sat-nav is permanently locked to the bike now. It's handy because nobody can nick it, but with it coming up to winter, I don't want the sat-nav on the bike just sitting in the cold. It's not freezing in the shed, but it's obviously warmer in the house. So today's task is going to be removing the old security lock, and we've purchased a new one. It's the TomTom Anti-Theft solution. So I don't know if you can see on the box, you get the lock, a set of keys, the lock disc thing that just spins, and you get the key for that. So you've basically got two locks and two sets of keys. I've got the original RAM mount key, which is the top one, but the keys for the actual lock themselves are lost. Because stupid me, you get obviously a key and you get two keys. And I had them both together. I've lost them, so that's hence why the sat-nav's locked to the bike. But we're going to be taking the old one off, we're going to be putting the new one on, so well, let's get cracked on. Okay, so we moved the camera down just so you can see a little bit more, if we get a bit of a torch on the go. So here's the lock. Basically you've got your key there in the middle. It's quite cool because the outer disc just spins, nothing happens. So I've had to loosen the screen off so that we can obviously get in and fiddle about. We need to take this off, unplug the electrics, and then the whole RAM mount should come away from the bike. So we'll just loosen this off. As you see, you put the key on, it spins the inner disc, but the outer one doesn't do anything. So just keep loosening that off. There we go. So that's loosened that up. Just rest that there a minute. We'll fasten this up so we don't lose anything. That's now on there. And then we just need to unplug the electrics, which is all done. So we'll get the camera back over onto the other side and we'll take it all apart. Okay, so what we're going to need for this, I've got the contents out of the box. We've got obviously the old sat-nav and the mount. We've got the new lock, as you can see, that's there. We've got a new set of bolts, and we've got Allen keys. That is pretty much all you need to do this job. As I said, you get these in the box. I have got a different RAM mount lock in the box, a new one, but I don't need that, I've already got it. So I had to buy the whole thing just to get this lock and set of keys, which are there. It's got a set of keys, so that's for them. Okay, so let's get cracked on. The RAM mount, we've got 4 Allen key bolts. For that, or those, you'll need a 2.5mm Allen key. So fairly simple. Loosen them off and remove those. Okay, so that's the RAM mount off. And then this should now, that comes off of there. So as you can see, it's permanently locked. I don't have a key to get this off. What it does is, it sits underneath the button. So that's the normal mount. As you can see, you press the button, it'll release the sat-nav. But with the lock in place, you physically can't press the button to get the sat-nav off. And even if you rotate the sat-nav, you can't press it because of the way that the mount is. So we've got the old lock off anyway, so that can go to one side. And then we need to put in place the new one. Again, simple process. If we put it on the right way, that goes on there, like so. We get the RAM mount in place, and we've got new bolts in here, nice shiny new bolts. So just put those in one at a time, get them onto a thread just so that they're located. 3 and 4. Again, the same bolts as what we took out, they're just new ones. 2.5mm Allen key. So tighten those up, The way that I tighten things up, I will do opposite corners. So I've just done this one, I'll do that one, move across and then come down. It doesn't really matter so much on this kind of device, but it's just a habit I've got into. It just helps everything align up as it should do. So we've got all 4 in there. You just tighten those up so that you can feel the grip hold of it, and then we just need to finish them off. So that's 1, 2, oh, the lock's spinning there, 3 and 4. Okay, so that's the new lock and the ramp mount in there. Just make sure it all works. So we'll put the keys in. As you can see, the lock rotates. A little bit stiff because it's new, but oh well. So that rotates. I now can't unlock the sat nav. If I unlock it, you'll be able to see that now comes off. It's as simple as that. It's a simple device, but it's effective. Stops people stealing your sat nav. So now that's all done. It's an easy job. Easy. It's probably one of the easiest jobs you can do. Now that's back on there, we'll get it back on the bike, we'll plug the electrics in, and then that's pretty much it. Right, so we're back over at the business end. Another simple installation. If you want to have a quick look, basically that is just a normal RAM mount. I've got the sat-nav bike mount down there. That pops onto the ball on that side. Just move that a little bit. We'll grab the sat-nav. That goes into this side. Loosen it off, get it in. And then you just tighten it up the opposite way till you loosened it off. So that's now, it's not super tight, it's just hand tight. I can still move it, but it's just so that it's in place and will allow me to plug the electrics back in. I made this as fiddly as I possibly could, just so it's awkward for anybody else if they wanted to try and steal it. And that's locked into place. All good. So we'll just need to position the sat-nav now. So that's roughly where I had it before. So we'll just give that a bit of a tighten. Lift the screen up. So we've got easier access. A bit of a tighten on that one. Can it rotate? Oh, lovely. It rotates. We're not hitting the clocks at all, so I'm happy with that. It all seems straight. That's fine. Could do with rotating a little bit, I guess. See, sat-nav rotates, that's all okay. If we hold that into place and just rotate a little bit. Oh, happy days, we're all good. So everything's back on. It's all working. Just double check we've got power. Yep, we've got power on the bike, so that's all good. Sat-nav works. And that's it. Okay, so that's how to install the TomTom Anti-Theft solution. It's took a little bit longer for me, obviously because I've had to remove the old one due to losing the keys. But it's a simple process to do. It's changing a lock. So, it's easy, but it's well worth the money. I think it worked out at about £45, I think it was, for this. So for a lock, it's quite expensive, and all I needed was a key. So for two new keys, it's cost me 45 quid, but it saved me £500 worth of sat-nav getting stolen. So I'm happy. If you've liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up button as well. Leave any comments down below. I have got some more how-tos coming, so please stick around. As I said, if you're interested in this sort of stuff, I do also ride the bike as well when the weather's decent, so subscribe to the channel. If you want to support the channel, you can do that on Patreon. It's patreon.com/TYB93. I will put a link to that in the description as well. But that's just if you want to support the channel. And as well, if you like cleaning your motorbike, you can get 10% off products at True Tension. Link and the promo code for that is in the description. Basically, they do wheel rollers, they've got chain cleaner, chain lube, they've got waterless wash products and everything that you could ever want. So give them click the link, have a look. If there's what you like, then it gives me a little bit of a kickback. You'll get 10% off, I get a bit of a kickback out of it, so everybody's happy. But that's it for today. TomTom Anti-Theft solution is installed on the bike. As always, ride safe, keep the sticky side down, and until next time, I love you all.